Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about animal tissues. See, on the basis of their functions, animal tissues they are of four types: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissue, and nervous tissues. And first of all, I would like to tell you in brief about all these four tissues, and afterwards we will study in detail. So, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, it covers and protects the body organs as well as whole body. For example, skin. And second, connective tissues. Connective tissue binds the body organs and transport the materials inside the body, like blood and lymph. See, blood it carries oxygen and carbon dioxide and nutrients also. And connective tissue it gives support to the body, like bones and cartilage. They give support. And third type of tissue, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue helps in the movement of different body parts. For example, movement of lungs and diaphragm during respiration means any kind of movement. All the movements they occurs due to muscular tissue. And fourth type of tissue, nervous tissues. Nervous tissue, it is most important tissue. It helps in the conduction of nerve impulses. So first of all, we will study about epithelial tissues. Now let's study about epithelial tissues. The epithelial tissue covers all the organs of the body externally and also lines the hollow organs internally. और ये एक बैरियर फॉर्म करता है टू कीप डिफरेंट बॉडी सिस्टम्स सेपरेट. स्किन, lining of mouth, lining of blood vessels, lungs alveoli and kidney tubules, they are made of epithelial tissues. और इस टिश्यू की सेल्स अरेंज होती हैं एक से ज़्यादा लेयर्स में. मीन सेल्स आर अरेंज्ड इन वन और मोर लेयर्स एंड दे आर सो कॉम्पैक्टली अरेंज्ड दैट देयर इज़ नो इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस एंड फॉर्म्स अ कंटिन्यूअस शीट. मीन्स इस टिश्यू की सेल्स बहुत ही कॉम्पैक्टली अरेंज्ड होती हैं, उनके बीच में इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस नहीं होता है, इसलिए ये कंटिन्यूअस शीट फॉर्म करते हैं. एंड दे हैव ओनली अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ सीमेंटिंग मटीरियल बिटवीन देम. Permeability of the cells of various epithelia. Permeability, what is permeability? Is the ability of a membrane to allow enter and exit of selective things. This is called permeability. So permeability of the cells of various epithelia plays a very important role in regulating the exchange of material between the body and the external environment and also between different parts of the body. And all epithelium are usually separated from the underlying tissue by an extracellular fibrous basement membrane. And what is basement membrane? Basement membrane is a thin fibrous extracellular matrix that separates the lining of an internal or external body surface from underlying connective tissue. This is basement membrane. Now let's study different types of epithelial tissues. First of all, we will study about squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium, in this tissue, cells are thin, flat and irregular in shape. Means इस tissue की cells thin होती हैं, flat होती हैं और irregular shape की होती हैं, which fit together like floor tiles to form a delicate lining. And it is found, means squamous epithelium is found in alveoli of lungs for exchange of gases. See, gaseous exchange, it occurs in lungs. Where? In alveoli. Alveoli are the site of gaseous exchange. And squamous epithelium, it is present in blood capillaries for exchange of materials between the body cells and blood. And it also lines mouth and esophagus. Now let's study about stratified squamous epithelium. See, this tissue is found in skin. And cells of this tissue, they are arranged in many layers. इस टिश्यू की सेल्स जो हैं वो बहुत सारी लेयर्स में अरेंज्ड होती हैं. एंड सेल्स फॉर्मिंग डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ दिस एपिथेलियम दे आर नॉट सिमिलर. और जो सेल्स होती हैं वो सिमिलर नहीं होती हैं. एंड दिस एपिथेलियम इज वाटरप्रूफ एंड हाईली रेजिस्टेंट टू मैकेनिकल इंजरी. इट प्रिवेंट अस फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल इंजरी. एंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू, cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium, it consists of cube-like cells which are square in section but at the free surface they appear hexagonal in shape. and it is found in kidney tubules and ducts of salivary glands where it provides mechanical support. So this is cuboidal epithelium, which is consist of cube-like cells which are square in section. Now let's study about columnar epithelium. See, columnar means pillar-like. So this tissue consists of cells which are taller than broad, and the nucleus is towards the base. ये जो टिश्यू है इसकी सेल्स टॉलर होती हैं देन ब्रॉड, और it forms lining of stomach and small intestine, and its main function is absorption and secretion. And columnar epithelium, it is modified into glandular epithelium and ciliated epithelium. Columnar epithelium की सेल्स मॉडिफाई होकर के ग्लैंडुलर एपिथेलियम और ciliated epithelium फॉर्म करती हैं. So let's study about glandular epithelium. See, some of the columnar cells, they develop and modified into unicellular glands which can secrete substances at the epithelial surface. जो columnar epithelium है उसकी cells modified होकर के unicellular glands फॉर्म करती हैं जो कि secretion कर सकती हैं. And sometimes a portion of epithelial tissue folds inward and a multicellular gland is formed. So this is glandular epithelium. Now ciliated epithelium. Now next tissue is ciliated epithelium. See, in this tissue columnar cells, they have fine hair-like cilia on their free surface. That is why it is called ciliated epithelium, and it is found in trachea and bronchi to expel any dust or food or pollutant particles out of the air passage. So this is ciliated epithelium.